Introduction. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language used for enhancing interactivity within web browsers. One of its features is comments, which are used to increase code readability, provide explanations, and prevent code execution during testing. What are JavaScript comments? Comments in JavaScript are code portions ignored by the interpreter. They are used for documenting code, explaining reasoning, and making the code more understandable. Types of JavaScript comments. JavaScript supports two types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments are used for brief notes and to disable specific parts of code. Multi-line comments are used for longer descriptions and to block out code sections for testing. How to use JavaScript comments. Single-line comments start with 2 forward slashes. Anything after these slashes on the same line is ignored by JavaScript. Multi-line comments start with a forward slash and an asterisk and end with an asterisk and a forward slash. Anything between these symbols is ignored by JavaScript. Comments are not displayed when the code is run. They're only visible in the code editor. Tips and common pitfalls. Avoid placing comments before the comment symbols, as this will cause a syntax error. Do not nest multi-line comments within each other, as it will cause an error. Use comments frequently to improve code readability and maintainability, but avoid over-commenting or stating the obvious. Conclusion. Understanding and using comments in JavaScript is crucial for coding. Comments enhance code clarity and make it easier to understand the program's logic. By avoiding common pitfalls and using comments effectively, you can write more efficient and maintainable JavaScript code.